Alright folks, on this episode we're going to show you how to replace the blinker light on a Buick Lucerne. Stay tuned. So the first thing you gotta know is you gotta know that your blinker needs replaced. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when your blinker needs replaced. So you stick the key in. Okay. Now you know how you turn this knob here to get the blinkers to go? That's what it normally looks like. Now, watch when I do this. See how it goes super fast like that? What it's doing is it's telling you that one of the rear blinkers is burnt out. And now I can show you back here. I can show you. It's not blinking. So now, if we do the other one. Now it's blinking. So it's this one right here. Now we know it's that light. Just transferred to this side, which is that light, but yet it looks like it's on. Oh yeah, it's the little one. Yeah, it's that light. So that one definitely needs replaced. So that's what we're gonna work to. Now on these models, to get to the light, you gotta pop the trunk. Now there's a feature button. See, it has a trunk open. Press that, and voila, comes right open. And now she's gonna be up in here. So I'm gonna let my buddy here, Uncle Dickie, show you how to do it. Let me just put the keys up here. They wanted to know who Uncle Dickie was. So here's Uncle Dickie. Uncle Dickie. I don't even know, you don't recognize him from the other videos because he just got his hair cut. And here's Uncle Louie. Hey. So he's gonna show you. What did you just do?
I took out one of them bolts.
You took out this bolt right here. And then, or whatever those are. Now he's taking out the other one.
Like interior bolt or something.
They're interior nuts.
It should be behind this thing.
Thinks it should be behind it.
Maybe.
So we took them both off. We got an Atlas in here for 2010. Okay,
yeah, there it is.
There it is.
Kicked you right there.
We found it. That kicks it right there.
Actually, this one and that.
This one and that. So now he's gonna go over here. Actually, he's discovered something. All right. So now he has his socket set. He pops it open. Looks inside. There's bits of charred bone, broken glass.
It's a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. We have our selection of lights up here, 2 to choose from.
Deep 10.
Deep 10. You know what it means when it's deep, folks?
10 millimeter.
That means, I'll show you the difference between, well actually we're going to get this action first. So this is how you take off these nuts.
Can't see anything.
I hope you can see that. He is turning the wrench. Now make sure you turn it the right way, or else you're going to be tightening it even tighter.
Snap
Tighten it even tighter. So you're just going to do that for both of them. He seems to be almost done while we're doing that delay. This is going to be a long video just to change blinkies.
Because we never turned the camera off.
Alright, we'll turn the camera off for a split second. We'll be right back. Now he's taken those both off. She should just pop right out. He's taken them.
Oh wait, there's another one.
Uh-oh, there's another one, so hold on. Sit tight. We're taking off the third nutty. See the nuts? Up. And she comes right out. Now, you turn that thing, pull it out, and there's your bulb. Pull your bulb out. That's busted. Here's your new bulb.
Doesn't look burnt out.
It doesn't look burnt out, but it is. Put this one in.
This thing.
Which one's the new
Yes,
one?
they are the same.
Okay, they are the same. We've
See,
confirmed.
3057K, 3057K.
All right, we've
Thank you,
confirmed.
GM.
We've confirmed that. It's the same lights that they use on the Saturn Views. Now, here's a little pro tip.
What?
When you stick her in, just stick it in like that. Hold on. Okay. Now, before you put the whole thing back together, you want to test it to see if she's working. So you film the testing. I'll go.
Turn it on. That's a good idea.
Oh, can't get in this side because we got too much trash in the garage.
Yeah, it works.
Yep, she's blinking.
Yep, they both are.
Okay,
There we go.
There you go.
there you go.
That's how you do it.
Look, we gotta put it back together.
Should we throw this?
Now it's just the reverse to put
It's
it back
off. How'd you start again?
in. You turn it, you put it in, and then you turn it like a quarter turn. Then you stick those studs through the holes, and then they're gonna poke through on this side. Watch it poke through. And there it is. Then you put these nuts on the studs. And that's how you do it. So we'll let you see some of this. And then the last thing you gotta do once you get those babies tightened down is screw these babies back on. There's one down there. I hope you can see that. He's screwing her back in. He's trying. He's going the wrong way. He's snorting. Get some fog. I doubt they can even see. It's too dark. But he's basically just screwing back on
There's a light right there.
whatever those are. A light?
Well, we're done anyways. So.
Okay, so he says we're done. That means we're done. And that is how you replace your turn signal on a 2007 Buick Lucerne. Yeah!